Natural remedies for erectile dysfunction. Spice up your sex life. Erectile dysfunction, ED, affects millions of men worldwide, often casting a shadow over their confidence and intimacy. While medications like Viagra exist, wouldn't it be amazing to use natural remedies? Say goodbye to unwanted side effects and hello to superfoods that can naturally improve blood flow, boost your overall health, and give your sex life a much-needed boost. 1. Watermelon, the juicy secret weapon. Who knew that the refreshing watermelon could be your ally in the bedroom? This summer fruit is packed with citrulline, an amino acid that converts to arginine in your body. Arginine is a precursor to nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation, essential for a strong erection. Aim for 3.5 servings daily for a noticeable difference. John, a 55-year-old man who had been struggling with ED, started incorporating watermelon into his daily diet. Within a few weeks, he noticed a significant improvement in his ability to achieve and maintain erections. A study published in the journal Urology found that watermelon extract improved erectile function in men with mild to moderate ED. 2. Yellow watermelon, the golden child. If regular watermelon is good, yellow watermelon is even better. It boasts 3 times the arginine content of its red counterpart, making it a potent blood vessel relaxer. Think of it as a natural Viagra without the side effects. 3. Pistachios. The crunchy powerhouse pistachios aren't just a tasty snack. They're a secret weapon for your sexual health. Research shows that a daily dose of pistachios, walnuts, and almonds can significantly improve erectile function and boost sperm quality. A study in the International Journal of Impotence Research found that men who consumed a pistachio-rich diet for 3 weeks experienced a 50% improvement in erectile function. 4. Broccoli and kale, the dynamic duo. These cruciferous vegetables are packed with sulforaphane, a powerful antioxidant that promotes blood flow and fights inflammation. Make sure to chop them up before cooking to release the maximum amount of sulforaphane. Mark, a 42-year-old avid cyclist, found that incorporating broccoli and kale into his diet helped him overcome ED caused by prolonged cycling. 5. Dinosaur Kale, the prehistoric powerhouse. This supercharged version of kale is not just a trendy ingredient, it's a nutrient powerhouse that can significantly improve blood flow. Get creative with kale chips, smoothies, or salads to reap its benefits. 6. Beets, the red dynamo. Beets aren't just for athletes. They're a natural source of nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide in the body, relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. An added bonus, if you have healthy mouth bacteria, you'll get a double dose of beet nutrients. Did you know? Some researchers believe that avoiding mouthwash can be beneficial for your sexual health, as the bacteria in your mouth help convert beet nitrates into nitric oxide. 7. A balanced diet, the ultimate weapon. While these superfoods are fantastic additions to your diet, remember that a balanced, healthy eating plan is the key to optimal health, including sexual health. Fill your plate with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to keep your heart and your sex life in top shape. It's important to note that erectile dysfunction can sometimes be a sign of underlying heart problems. If you're experiencing ED, talk to your doctor to rule out any serious health issues. Lifestyle changes to improve sexual dysfunction. ED is often treatable through simple yet effective lifestyle changes. Here are a few strategies to help you safeguard your sexual health and maintain a a fulfilling, intimate life. 1. Fuel your body. Fuel your passion. The power of a healthy diet. The Mediterranean miracle. Research shows that the Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, can significantly reduce the risk of ED. A study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men who adhered to this diet experienced better erectile function. The anti-inflammatory advantage. Chronic inflammation can damage blood vessels and contribute to ED. Anti-inflammatory foods like berries, fatty fish, and olive oil can help combat this. 2. Get moving, get it up. The exercise effect. Regular physical activity is a cornerstone of good health, and it's directly linked to improved sexual function. Blood flow. Boost. Exercise increases blood flow throughout the body, including the penis, which is crucial for achieving and maintaining erections. Hormonal harmony. Physical activity helps regulate testosterone levels, a key hormone for sexual desire and function. Stress reduction. Exercise is a natural stress reliever, and reducing stress can have a positive impact on your sex life. 3. The mind-body connection. Manage stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety are notorious for their negative impact on sexual health. They can trigger the release of stress hormones like cortisol, which can interfere with sexual function. Relaxation techniques. Practices like deep breathing, meditation, yoga, and mindfulness can help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting better sexual function. Therapy. If stress and anxiety are persistent, consider therapy or counseling to address underlying issues and develop coping mechanisms. 4. Prioritize cardiovascular health. The heart of the matter. Your heart health and your sexual health are deeply intertwined. Conditions like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes can damage blood vessels and impede blood flow, contributing to ED. Healthy habits. Maintain a healthy weight, eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and avoid smoking to protect your heart and your sexual function. Regular checkups. Schedule regular checkups with your doctor to monitor your cardiovascular health and address any potential issues early on. 5. Communicate openly. The intimacy booster. Open communication with your partner is essential for a healthy sexual relationship. Share your concerns. Talk to your partner about any sexual difficulties you're experiencing. They may be able to offer support and understanding. Discuss desires and needs. Communicate your sexual preferences and desires and be open to exploring new things together. 6. Stop watching pornography. Excessive pornography use can lead to a condition called porn-induced erectile dysfunction, PIED. This occurs when frequent exposure to extreme stimuli rewires the brain's reward system, potentially causing desensitization and difficulty achieving erections in real-life scenarios. Quitting pornography can often reverse these effects. 7. Seek professional help. If lifestyle changes alone aren't enough, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Your doctor can assess your overall health, identify any underlying medical conditions, and recommend appropriate treatments. For psychological factors contributing to ED, a therapist can help you address these issues and develop coping strategies. Your sexual health is an essential component of your overall well-being. By implementing these proven strategies, you can take steps to overcome erectile dysfunction, enhance your sexual function, and enjoy a fulfilling and intimate life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, you'll love the next one. See you next time.